Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel Intexture by A&K. In today's video, we're going to talk about things that can make any house look cheap. So, let's get started.
Knowing what makes a house look cheap will prove invaluable when you are designing your interior. It will help you avoid making these common mistakes and ensure your house looks smart and sophisticated. Even if you are decorating on a budget, there is no reason for your space to look cheap. In many cases, the things that lead to a house looking cheap aren't even a reflection of wealth. In fact, there are many budget-friendly ways you can make a home look expensive, evoking a college aesthetic and not in a good way. For example, filling a room with matching flat-pack furniture will certainly make your space seem cheap. Instantly identifiable by its soulless boxy design and flimsy particle board construction, they bring very little to interior design. Instead, invest in characterful second-hand pieces, often available at much lower price point than flat pack. They will also be sturdier and will inject personality into your space. Plus, you can rest safe in the knowledge that the piece you buy has already survived decades in the home and is likely to continue for many more to come. While flat pack isn't a great fit for the key rooms of your home, they do still have a place. Flat pack can provide invaluable in hidden spaces such as garages to provide plentiful storage, which in turn helps you reduce the clutter in your home. Flooring ideas play a huge part in defining the look and feel of your space. The wrong color, texture or material can throw a whole scheme off. Inconsistent hard surface flooring like LVT and laminate in different rooms will make a house look cheap. A lot of people want to save money by selecting flooring other than hardwood, and there's no harm in that. However, keep it consistent. Putting one type of wood look in the kitchen in an oak color and then changing it to another type of material in grey in the living room can be a disaster. Pick one color and use it throughout. I also find that greys in wood alternatives tend to make a house look sterile and staged. It can make a house look cold and unnatural.
Before we go any further, if you want to support us, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.
It doesn't matter whether you've already read all the interior design tips and followed the latest furniture trends. If your home is then filled with clutter, then it will still look cheap. Piles of clutter will instantly undo all your good interior design choices. Therefore, it is vital that you have plenty of storage ideas to help keep your home neat and tidy. There are also plenty of decluttering tips that will help you in organizing a bedroom or any other room in your home. You can also take inspiration from minimalist home staging to help your home achieve that high-end professional look. While chintz certainly has its place in interior design, too much chintz will take your interior from elegant to messy. Decor really plays a factor into making your home look elevated, so when it's chintzy, it's going to make the room look cheap. This doesn't mean that you have to break the budget on decor, but find pieces that still fit the style of your home and are more unique rather than mass-produced. Even if you've chosen the most beautiful living room furniture, if it is too big or too small for the space, it will end up looking cheap. Therefore, it is vital that your pieces are the right size and shape for the space in question. Disproportionate furniture will make a house look cheap, almost like you threw whatever you had together and hoped it would work. Invest in pieces that fit well with each other and fill up the space of a room but not clutter it. This can also include artwork if it is disproportionate to the walls of the space. Figure out a good balance of positive and negative space to help the flow of the room. When it comes to choosing a rug, size is also of vital importance. Scale the rug appropriately for the size of the room. A too small rug can instantly look cheap. With so many different sizes and shapes, decorating with rugs can seem overwhelming. The best way to find the right rug for your space is to use masking tape to outline different sizes on your floor. This will help you to understand how different sizes and shapes would work in your space. For large living rooms, it's best to have at least 12 to 18 inches of visible floor space between your large rug and wall. To unify the area, try to ensure that the front legs of your sofa and lounge chairs sit on the rug and overlap it by minimum of 8 to 12 inches. For open floor spaces, a greater contrast between flooring and the rug will focus the eye on the rug, defining your space and creating a more intimate feel. We all know the importance of the right window treatments, and there are plenty of curtain ideas that are sure to inspire you. However, something that often gets overlooked is the lining. Above all else, draperies are the single most effective way to elevate a room and is highly dependent on working with someone that is skilled in their craft. When finished impeccably and include details, they instantly create a more custom, elevated feel. For example, we always line drapery 4 times so that they are finished and visually appealing even from the exterior of the home, and always do so in a soft ecru or bone rather than white.
This is it for this video. If you liked our video, then don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.